How to join creator fonts on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to join creator fonts on TikTok, what you're gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After you've done that, go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen. After you're successfully on your profile page, go to the three bar option which is in the top right corner of your screen. Then go to the option TikTok Studio which is on the top. After you're over here you can see two options that are inspiration and monetization. Go to monetization and then go to monetization programs and view all. Here you'll see all the sectors or the field where you have to apply. Now suppose I'm going to video gifts. Then there's a toggle over here, click on it. And you can only turn it on when you are eligible. You have to meet the following requirements over here. So it applies the same for everything over here. So in order to do that, you have to be eligible to apply for all the terms and conditions over here, or you can also set it on get notified when I'm eligible. Then the TikTok app will notify you automatically after you're eligible to do it. Then you can successfully start creator fonts on TikTok. So this is how you can join our creator font on TikTok. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.